Once the samples come to the laboratory and my staff logs them in, they come to our walk-in reefer. It looks crazy. It looks like there's no rhyme or reason here, but it does have some rhyme or reason to us. My staff comes and checks out the samples to do the chemistry on them, and then once the chemistry is done, they come and put the samples back. They are here in cold storage for roughly 30 days, depending on the volume coming through the door. And then they go outside to secured non-cold storage for about 45 days total on site. Once we are completely done with the samples, unless we know from our customer to hold them an extra period of time, they are safely disposed of, manifested, and taken off site for ultimate disposal.